Hey everybody, Milli Cannata here. Let's face it, plumbing problems are a homeowner's worst nightmare. Leaky pipes, clogged drains, nobody wants to deal with that mess. Luckily, plumbers have a whole arsenal of specialized tools to tackle these issues and keep your water flowing smoothly. We're going to take you behind the scenes and give you a closer look at the tools of the trade. We'll show you how they work and why they're important, so you can have a better understanding of what goes into keeping your plumbing system in tip-top shape. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just curious about the plumbing profession, this video is for you. So let's dive in and explore the world of plumbing tools. First up, we're tackling the essentials: pipe wrenches and tubing cutters. These are the bread and butter of any plumber's toolbox. A pipe wrench, with its sturdy teeth and adjustable grip, is a plumber's best friend when it comes to loosening or tightening pipes. You need a good, strong grip to break those connections loose, especially if they haven't been touched in years. But it's not just about brute strength. Using a pipe wrench correctly is crucial to avoid damaging the pipes. You always want to apply pressure in the right direction, and make sure you're using the right size wrench for the job. Now, when it comes to cutting pipes cleanly and accurately, nothing beats a tubing cutter. These handy tools come in various sizes to accommodate different pipe diameters. You've got your copper tubing cutters, your PVC cutters, each one designed for a specific material. Using the right cutter ensures a smooth, even cut, which is crucial for creating watertight connections. Remember, a clean cut equals a better seal, and that means fewer chances of leaks down the road. Trust me, preventing leaks before they happen is way better than dealing with water damage later on. So, whether you're a seasoned plumber or a homeowner tackling a small repair, having a good quality pipe wrench and tubing cutter on hand is essential. Remember, the right tools make all the difference. Now, let's talk about those dreaded clogs. They're a pain, but luckily there are some powerful tools designed to blast them away and keep your drains flowing freely. The plumber's snake, also known as an auger, is a tried and true tool for clearing out stubborn clogs in sinks, tubs, and toilets. It's basically a long, flexible cable with a coil or corkscrew at the end that you feed into the drain. You crank the handle to break up the clog and then pull it out. It's a little messy, but it gets the job done. For more serious clogs, plumbers often turn to a drain cleaning machine, sometimes called a sewer jetter. This powerful tool uses high-pressure water to flush out even the toughest blockages, like tree roots or grease buildup. Believe me, you don't want to mess around with those kinds of clogs. Now, another important tool for drain maintenance is a good old-fashioned plunger. You might be surprised how effective a plunger can be for clearing out minor clogs. Just make sure you're using the right type of plunger for the job. A cup plunger works best on flat surfaces, like sinks, while a flange plunger is designed for toilets. And of course, let's not forget about prevention. Using drain screens to catch hair and debris and avoiding pouring grease down the drain can go a long way in preventing clogs in the first place. Remember, a little bit of prevention can save you a lot of headaches. Sorry, charming bills. Down the road. Chapter 3. Soldering and crimping tools. Connecting the dots. Alright, now it's time to talk about connecting pipes and fittings. And to do that right, you need the right tools for the job. Soldering, for example, is a technique used to create a watertight seal between copper pipes and fittings. A plumber's torch is used to heat the metal, and then a lead-free solder is applied, which melts and flows into the joint, creating a strong, permanent bond. Now, while soldering is a reliable method, it does require some skill and practice. You need to make sure the pipes are clean and properly prepped, and you need to heat the joint evenly to ensure a good flow of solder. But don't worry, with a little practice, anyone can learn to solder like a pro. Now, another common method for joining pipes is crimping. PEX crimpers are specialized tools used to compress a crimp ring around a PEX pipe and fitting, creating a secure leak-proof connection. PX, or cross-linked polyethylene, has become increasingly popular in recent years because it's flexible, resistant to corrosion, and easier to work with than traditional copper pipes. And then there's threading. Pipe threaders are used to cut threads onto pipes, allowing them to be screwed into fittings. This method is often used for galvanized steel pipes, which are commonly found in older homes. No matter which method is used, it's crucial that the connections are made correctly to prevent leaks. A small leak might seem like a minor annoyance, but over time it can cause significant water damage and lead to costly repairs. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of plumbing tools. From wrenches and cutters to snakes and torches, these tools play a vital role in keeping our homes running smoothly. Remember, regular maintenance and addressing plumbing issues promptly are key to preventing costly repairs down the road. And if you're ever unsure about tackling a plumbing project yourself, don't hesitate to call in a licensed professional. Now, if you're considering buying a home with a well or septic system, it's essential to have those systems inspected by a qualified professional. These systems require special care and maintenance, and you want to make sure they're in good working order before you commit to buying the property. Considering a home with a well or septic system, let's ensure it's the right fit. Visit www.millicannata.com for expert advice.